We have no idea what this is. It's not the fan clutch. The fan stops rotating right after I shut the car off. All the pulleys seem good. The belts seem good. I put on the AC, the blower inside the cabin here, and it doesn't change the pitch. I did open the oil fill cap while it was making the noise. It changed the noise, but it didn't make it stop. I've been doing a little research. I don't know if it was coming from the alternator. So yeah, just you can hear it changes pitch a little bit when I rev it, but some days it goes away and then it comes back. So no idea what this is. But I'll be taking it to you soon, and if you have any ideas, please text me back. Thank you. Bye.